Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a heater core. First, ensure your vehicle is cool and disconnect the negative battery terminal for safety. Next, you'll need to drain the engine's coolant system thoroughly to prevent spills. Carefully remove the necessary dashboard panels and components to gain clear access to the heater core housing. This step often involves removing several screws and connectors. Prepare your new heater core by checking for any damage before installation. Now, let's focus on removing the old heater core. Locate the coolant lines connected to the heater core and carefully unclip or detach them. Be prepared for any residual coolant. Gently pull the old heater core out of its housing. It might be snug, so take your time to avoid damaging surrounding components. Once removed, take a moment to clean the housing area, ensuring it's free of debris and old coolant residue for a fresh start. With the housing clean, it's time to install your new heater core. Carefully slide the new core into its designated spot, ensuring it sits securely. Next, reattach the coolant lines, making sure they are firmly connected to prevent leaks. Double-check all connections. Finally, begin reassembling the dashboard components. Take your time to ensure all screws and clips are properly fastened, restoring your vehicle's interior. Almost done. Now, refill your cooling system with the appropriate coolant mixture, ensuring it reaches the correct level. It's crucial to bleed any air from the system to prevent overheating and ensure efficient heater operation. Start the engine, let it warm up, and check for any leaks around the heater core connections. Test your heater to confirm it's blowing warm air. For more great deals, and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, look for the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.